How to use text to speech on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it. So first thing first, you have to launch your TikTok application. As you do so, make sure that you are logged into your specific TikTok account, and then you'll see a page like this. Now let's go ahead and make a video. For that, tap on the plus icon. In my case, I have taken this photo. In your case, you can also create a new video or add your existing video onto this. Now let's go ahead and write something. For that, tap on a button. And as soon as you type in something, it will ask you text to speech. So tap onto it. And now in my case, I have muted the audio, but you will directly see what I have written here, and you can also hear it in your device. And once you're satisfied, tap on the next. And you may go ahead and post it as well. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.